Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today's video will be a DIY wall decor using plastic spoons. So let's see what things we need to make this DIY. Plastic spoons, cardboard, glue gun, spray paint, pair of scissors and a mirror. First, we have to separate the head and tail of the spoon. After separating the heads of the spoon, spray paint it. Glue the spoons to the mirror accordingly. I have drawn inner circles on this cardboard, so when I paste the spoons, it will be in order. Apply glue to the back part of the mirror and paste it on the center of the cardboard. Start the second row by placing the spoon in between the first row spoons. Continue this until you form a big circle. To end this circle, I am using gloss finish spoons to this. So this is the final look of the wall decor. Hope you would like this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.